How to create rotating circular text in Davinci Resolve. Go to the Effects panel and click on Titles. Drag and drop a text plus in timeline. With the text selected, open up the Inspector panel, enter a text, and change its font. Now click on Layout tab and change type to Circle. This will make the text appear in a circle path. You have the option to change the size of the circle and increase the width of it so its ends come near each other. Now that we put the text into a circle path, we can use Rotation Z property to create a rotating animation. Move the playhead to the start of the text and click on diamond button next to Rotation Z. This will create the first keyframe. Move the playhead to the end and increase Rotation Z to around 360 degrees to create the second keyframe. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.